Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily futures market review for the trading day ending Wednesday, July 23rd. Firstly to gold futures, and here we've seen a black body candle following the market being rejected from above the 1309 level, initially finding support at the Kijun-sen and closing just around there, almost just below the Kijun-sen indicator. The sellers have taken control with this candle as opposed to neither side that were in control for the past two trading days. And what we've seen now with this new candle as it's currently developing is some very substantial follow through. Now the problem here for the sellers with this current candle is the round number support at the 1300 level, and already we're starting to see price rejection from there, so there is a possibility that the market could test below there again and be rejected from there. If we see a strong bearish close, we want to see some follow through, and if we see that, we could see the market trading down to the top of the Ichimoku cloud around the 1286 level. Just looking at the Fibonacci extension here, and what we see at the moment with this current candle is the interaction with the 50% level. So we're comparing the current first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market was trending down, and we're seeing some rejection from there. So as this candle develops, if we see the buyers come in and close with control, then it could suggest a possible change of trend, but it's too early to say. This candle is still developing, but with the previous candle testing just below the 38.2% level in a bearish manner, the sellers in control, and we've seen the follow through today. Moving next to the S&P 500 futures on the hourly chart, and here we've seen for the previous days trading the market open above the middle pivot point level, finding resistance at the Tenkan-sen initially, and then finding support around this area. Very strong support here with the Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen trading around that middle pivot point level, and the market bouncing off to trade through the first pivot point resistance level, the Tenkan-sen holding as support along the way. Now that is a sign of a very strong market that has solid upside momentum, and as we've begun this new trading session, the Tenkan-sen has been holding as support, but this current hourly candle as developing has seen the market break out to the downside below that support at the Tenkan-sen. Now the important thing here is if the market can maintain price action down below there and with a bearish candle, it may suggest something of a change of sentiment in that fast term time frame. A lot will then depend on how the market reacts around the middle pivot point level and then at the Kijun-sen, which is just below there. If the buyers come back in solidly and trade through the Tenkan-sen in a bullish manner, we could quickly see the market testing up to the first pivot point resistance level around 1985. If we trade in a bearish manner down through the Kijun-sen and the middle pivot point level, we could quickly test to the first pivot point support level around the 1975 level. We have a very solid support down there. It's the top of the Ichimoku cloud, so the support there extends through to more than halfway through the trading day, and we should see solid support if the sellers do come into the market. But really what we need to do is wait for the market to make its mind up here and be ready to react to either a bearish close down below the Kijun-sen or another bullish close up above the Tenkan-sen.